Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to invest in Venmo. So basically, what do you want to invest on? Of course, what you can invest on Venmo simply is crypto. And of course, there is a crypto tab as example. So of course, if you go here on the Venmo browser, you can go, as example, log in into your account if you have an account. If you don't, you can create an account and simply you'll find a Venmo a crypto tab. So as example, as you can see right here, you'll find this at the bottom. Just write the payment requests, click on the crypto, and you'll find all the list of the crypto that you can invest in. You'll find normally the known one, which is Bitcoin, and you'll find a lot of other ones. So you can open Venmo, tap on crypto from the bottom menu, and make the first purchase for you. And the little thing or the amount that you can buy is simply $1. If you want, of course, to share it on your feed, you'll be able to. And you can check this button to keep tabs with price alerts and easily sell, buy, or transfer crypto in a few steps or tabs. So that's how you basically invest in Venmo. You just have to go to crypto and select the crypto that you want to buy, enter the amount that you want to buy of that crypto. As an example, I want to buy $20 maybe of Bitcoin. I'll get 0.00000001 or something like that, but it does not matter. And yeah, that's how you basically do it. Of course, before accepting, you will get a review, so you'll have to pay this amount of fee. You will, as example, get this amount of this crypto and etc. So yeah, click on confirm or accept or transfer, and you'll get your amount of crypto with the amounts that you want to buy, and you should be then good to go. So that's gonna be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching it. Goodbye.